So I've been trying to find a good hold down clamp for my CNC machine, but just haven't found anything that I really liked. I was walking through the store one day, found a plastic cutting board. This one's about 5/8 of an inch thick. So I took it, programmed in about 8 or 10 rectangles like this. They're about an inch wide, 5 inches long, and a slot down the middle for my bolt for clamping it down. Then I took a 1/4 inch end mill, and just using my joystick, I raised it up about 1/8 of an inch and moved it over about 1/8 of an inch, and then just moved it back and forth. And you can see the little lip that it left right here. And then next part of the video, you'll see how it turned out. So this is my clamp. You can see it has very low profile on it. Yeah, it just clamps the very edge of the material you're working on. It's made out of plastic, so of course if you hit it with your bit, it's not going to hurt it. The bolts are usually back far enough, and it's such a low profile that you don't have any problems with your dust collection. And that was the other big thing about it. So, give it a try. It was real simple to make. It was cheap. Cost me a few bucks for the board. And it's worked out real good for me. It may not for you, but I've been real happy with it. And I also made a cornering device out of the same cutting board. So I could bolt that down, and now I can just slide any project right into the corner. I've got room for my probing device. So it just all worked out real good, and it was just out of a 3/8 inch plastic cutting board. So I hope this helps you out a little bit.